Quick question. Why are some of the most important approvals in business still happening in WhatsApp, email chains, or follow-up messages that say, just checking in again? Because every time an approval depends on memory, chasing, or someone being online at the right moment, the business is not just losing time, it's losing speed, trust, and control. Think about a growing team in Lagos. Operations needs vendor payment approved. Finance is waiting. The founder is in a meeting. The request sits in someone's inbox, then moves to WhatsApp, then gets buried under other messages. Nothing is wrong with the decision. The process is not visible. And this is usually the turning point for smarter teams. They realize the problem is not about bad people or slow leadership. Sometimes the problem is that an important business action has no system behind it. That is why a Power Automate approval flow is such a quick win. A request gets submitted. The right person gets notified. They approve or reject. The action gets logged immediately. The next person sees the outcome immediately. No drama, no hunting, no guessing who said yes. And the deeper leadership lesson is this: automation is not only about speed, it's about removing ambiguity from hands-on. Because when approvals are clear, teams move faster, audit trails get cleaner, and accountability stops hiding in chat history. Start with one approval that gets delayed every single week. Vendor payment, maybe, leave request, purchase approval. Build that first. DM flow, and I'll send you the simple approval flow starter idea. Stop chasing approvals. Start designing movement. Think training? Think Jake Michaels. Think training impact? Think Jake Michaels. See you in class.